Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many PC gamers are experiencing with Battlefield 6, the game refusing to launch. Whether you're getting error messages, the game crashes immediately, or nothing happens when you click play, I've got you covered with these proven solutions. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. Launch issues often stem from software conflicts, outdated drivers, or missing components. First, let's check if your system meets the minimum requirements. Battlefield 6 is a demanding game, so ensure your hardware is up to par. Check the official requirements on EA's website and compare them with your system specs. If you meet the requirements, let's try running the game as administrator. Right-click the Battlefield 6 shortcut or executable file, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. This can resolve permission-related launch issues. Next, let's verify your game files through your game platform. If you're using Steam, right-click Battlefield 6 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. For EA app users, right-click the game and select Repair. This will check for and replace any corrupted or missing files. Now, let's update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of game launch failures. Visit NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's website to download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. Use the Clean Installation option if available to remove old driver files completely. If you're still having issues, let's check for software conflicts. Temporarily disable any overlay software like Discord Overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience Overlay, or MSI Afterburner. These can sometimes interfere with game launches. For Battlefield 6 specifically, let's ensure Easy Anti-Cheat is working properly. Navigate to your game installation folder, find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, and run easyanticheat_setup.exe. Select Battlefield 6 from the list and click Repair Service. If the game still won't launch, let's try updating DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. These are essential components that many games require. You can download the latest versions from Microsoft's official website. As a last resort, you might need to perform a clean boot to identify background software conflicts. Press Windows key +R, type msconfig, and under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Restart your computer and try launching the game again. I know how frustrating it is when a game you're excited to play won't even launch. One of these solutions should get Battlefield 6 running. For most players, verifying game files or updating drivers does the trick. If this guide helped you get Battlefield 6 working, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.